Hi guys, today we are making a genuine leather bag. It's actually Dave was making a genuine leather bag, guys. Still a man of no words. Guys, don't mind my mess. This is our mess, our work. So don't mind it. So today we are making a genuine leather bag. I'll be the cameraman and Dave will be doing the bag. Oh, did I just say a handbag? It's actually a backpack. My bed. It's a backpack, not a handbag that he is making. So he's here already, ready to do his things. He's ready to do the stitching. I think did you do the stitching already, Dave? The people are waiting. Can you please talk? He's on mute. Okay, I'll be the spokesperson. So he's doing the stitching right here. This is the bag that is already making. So he's already put the lining. This is the lining, the fabric inside of the bag. I can see that there are two linings in here and even a foam inside. So he's going to stitch and I will show you everything until the bag is done. Hey guys, so Dave has just finished the bag. This is the back of the bag that he is making. So what's next? The front. Still not talking. On mute. So to cut the front, he has to trace the back because the front and back are going to be a little bit similar. So he's just going to use this bag that he has already made as a template for the front. So this is it. So he's going to cut this part and we get our front. So this is the front. So he's going to put the foam and the lining just like what he did with the back part. We are now making the pockets. He is making the pockets. So this is how he makes the pockets. Dave is now putting the press studs on the bag. So he's putting the holes, he's punching the holes right here. We now have the top press studs. These are the top press studs, and he has to put the fasteners underneath so that when you push this down, it clips. Punching the holes again. See? This one is done. So it's just going to finish off this second one, and the front will be done. Is it? Still a man of no words. It's time to put the lining, just like what he did with the back. So he's now putting this lining. The bag is almost done, so Dave here is now putting the sliders. The sliders here. I call them zipper, but it's just correcting me that they are called sliders. Guys, the bag is coming out nicely, very nicely. It's almost done. Guys, we are now putting these ladder locks on the bag handles. So this genuine leather backpack that Dave is making is actually a Christmas gift. If you're watching this video before Christmas, Merry Christmas to you, and I wish you a Happy New Year. If you're new to the channel, my name is Megs and this is Dave. We are a couple. We do crafts and lifestyle content. We do furniture reupholstery and we show you guys what we do in our daily lives. So if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment and share this video with your friends and family.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy.
Guys, the bags are almost done. Can you see? This is the front and this is the bag. So we are about to join them together. Dave is about to join them together.
You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here?
Alright, so right here he's putting a binding. This is how the binding looks, just to make the inside of the bag look neater, because it looks really rough like this. So he's putting this binding. If you can see the side has been done and it looks really neat. The side, you see the edges are nice and neat, unlike these edges. So that's what he's going to do for the whole bag, the inside. So the bag is now done. Everything looks neat. There are no more rough edges. Everything looks all well done. This is the inside of the bag, and I'm going to show you the outside.
Drinking hot wine by the fire, here on our own, we got nothing to fear.
So guys, we want to burn this ribbon. You can just take off that bacon. So the edges of this ribbon is on the belt of the bag. So we are just bending the ends so that they won't they won't frail off. Fray. They won't fray off. They won't come off. It's going to be like this forever. The bag is done. We want to show you how it is looking. So this is how it's looking. Don't go far. This is how it's looking. What do you think, guys? Looking so nice. So this is actually a lady's bag. So it's done. You like? Please let us know what you think in the comments. Let us know what you think about this bag in the comments.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
Dave also got himself a new laptop. The old laptop was giving him problems. There was some software that he couldn't get on his old laptop, so he had to buy this new laptop. So let's do a just short unboxing together and see how this laptop looks. Guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please let us know in the comments. Feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and you can share this video with your friends and family. Merry Christmas to you. I wish you well in 2025, and we'll be still here. You can still press the notification bell so that you won't miss out on our weekly vlogs. We love you.
cabin out